Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture, we have learned the theory portion of ternary operator in Ruby. And today we will learn about the practicals of ternary operator in Ruby. It is known as ternary operator because it is having three operands. So let's take a practical example. Let me create our first variable, that is variable A, and I am assigning one string value, that is learn1. And now I am using ternary operation. So I am checking whether the value of variable A is matches with learn1. So this is my condition. This is my first operand. And here is my operator. This is question mark. So now if my condition satisfied, it will execute the first block. So let me say welcome to learn1. And if this condition do not match, it will execute the second block. So here is my second operator, that is colon, and my block that I need to execute if my condition do not match. So let me say welcome to Ruby, and let's run this program, and it will return me output welcome to learn1, because variable A is having value learn1, and that learn1 value, that string, exactly matches with the string specified here in a condition. So this condition gets satisfied and it will execute the first block. Now let's check by modifying our variable A's value that I am setting as a Ruby. And now I am executing the same program again, and that will return me welcome to Ruby. Here is the output. This is because variable A contains a value Ruby, and I am comparing that variable A's value to learn1, this string. So this whole condition do not get satisfied and it will execute the last block. This is how we can easily work with ternary operators. In next lecture, we will learn about the theory portion of range operators in Ruby.